In this video, we're going to show you guys a quick, easy, and great solution if you guys have one of these Dodge Dakotas, or could be a Durango, with this style dash and your glove box latch is broken. These things are notorious for breaking, and I actually have to give a shout out to my buddy Josh, who he said that he found these on Amazon for a affordable price. I didn't even know. I've had a Dakota for a while now, and I didn't know you could just buy a cheap one off Amazon for like 15 bucks. So that's what we have here, is a new replacement latch. As you can see here, the latch is broken and I have a tie wrap going around it just to keep it shut. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. It's gonna open, and of course the latch does this. If you guys have one of these vehicles, you know all about this. And it's a matter of, it looks like Phillips screws on the inside, and then we can get this latch off. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our screwdriver, undo the screws right here, and take this broken latch off. So it's just a matter of taking out those two Phillips screws. The two in the center are gonna remove this. Let's take out our new one out of the package and screw it back in. So here's the old one, here's a new one. I'm gonna throw it on, and I'm gonna put the two screws in. Okay, so the new one is installed. That's it, you guys. So it's as simple as just replacing it. I will link the one that I use down in the description below, but there you go. So this dash is kind of a charcoal color. It appears this one is a little bit more of a black color, but I mean, honestly, the difference is so small that I don't think anybody would ever really notice. And I mean, these are black anyways, so who's counting, right? So I'll link that down below. If you guys found this helpful or informative, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.